in Saguaro National Park West, and I believe we're at Desert Discovery Trail today. It is one of the few trails that are pet friendly, and today we have my mom here with us, and it's a paved trail. So we're going to check that out and give you our review at the end. And I hope you enjoy the photos and the video footage and enjoy the walk along with us. We just did the half-mile loop. It was a great walk. Lots of pavement, well, pavement the whole way around. There was 2 or 3 places to sit if you wanted to, and lots of different cacti that was in there. What did you think, Mom?
Well, because I have Coda on a leash, he wanted us to go faster than I've ever gone before. And so at one time, Kim had to tell us to wait. Hey, Mom, wait for us. It was a great walk.
Yeah, this is a really good place to go. If you have someone that has limited abilities, it's a great walk. And if you have a pet, it's a great walk. Highly recommend Discovery Loop Trail in Saguaro National Forest. Saguaro National Park.